Here is a quick demonstration. The first thing I'll do is run the server. I will also uninstall the app just to show that it is a fresh install when I run this. This is an API level 23 Nexus 5X, if it matters. First thing it does is gets the 17 in the server, and then it gets the actual information for all 17 and inserts that into the SQLite database. So if we open up SU Poly, we see it has all the information. We can go ahead and delete it. If we hit Barrel Alaska, we can add the place. Well, I won't do this, but test. Save place doesn't actually, it stays in the SQLite database. It doesn't properly sync it. I'll show you properly syncing later. If we hit the map view button, we'll actually see that it goes to the first item in the drop down. But if instead we go to TRS or Paris or go to Moscow, Russia, if you hit the marker, it will just remove the marker. But moving the wrong thing here. If you hit the map somewhere, I'll choose Mexico. It'll open up to add a new place. So let's go ahead and add Mexico, ASDF, and then just give it a non-zero elevation. And then if we go ahead and save the place, once again, it doesn't actually sync that yet, but if we hit sync with server, it actually does sync everything properly. And now this matches perfectly with the SQLite database. And we can see it added Mexico, and it also updated Barrel Alaska. And it technically tries to update everything else as well, even though none of those changed. But finally, you can also change the URL if you hit the settings icon on the top right, and you can change it to whatever you want. And that's my presentation.